Hi friends, I extend my warm welcome to you in our program the Dimensions of Leadership, which we organized just for you so that you grow as a leader and contribute to the welfare of the society. Today I'll be taking up 10 D's for you, 10 words starting from D that becomes 10 D's, which will help you in becoming a diamond and to dazzle in the society around. Dear friends, these 10 D's are: the first D stands for desire. In order to become a leader, you need to desire. There has to be an ambition, a fire in your belly, sort of a churning inside that propels you in the direction of development. So the number one D is desire. Number two, dream. Like APJ Kalam said, you need to dream. You need to dream big. And dreams are not those that you watch or see in your sleep, but dreams are those which don't let you sleep. Therefore, dream. After dream comes, the third D is dare. You need to challenge. You need to take initiative. You need to take the first step. Dare to do. And the fourth D is do. Once you dare it, then do it. Execute it, plan it, and move towards your destination. When you have done all these 4 D's, like desire, dream, dare, do, then comes other sets of D's, which is discipline. In a disciplined manner, you need to move forward. Then comes determination. There has to be a rock-like determination in your mind power, so that with grit, guts, and determination, you zoom ahead on the path of prosperity. Then comes diligence. Diligence means hard work. There is no substitute for hard work. A leader needs to work hard so that he delivers for his supporters, for his followers, and for the people who are living in society and who repose a trust in your leadership. And then the other D comes, this is discipline, determination, diligence, and then comes the other D is dazzle. Dazzle means you need to shine. You need to shine, sparkle, and give light, energy to the people around. And you can dazzle only when you have all these D's under your belt, in your command. And the last D comes diamond. If you do all these things, starting from desire, dream, your dare, do, diligence, discipline, determination, and dazzle, then diamond. Then you becomes a sparkling diamond which radiates all its shine, energy, light in the society to the masses. Dear friends, I hope you liked our 10 D's concept, and hope you'll be following it to become a better leader, or a great leader, or a leader who can contribute to the society and its people. Thank you so much. Bye for now. We'll meet again. Thank you.